In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint video play automatically. Embarking on a PowerPoint presentation journey often includes incorporating videos to enhance the audience's understanding and engagement with the content, whether it's for an educational project, a business presentation, or just for fun. Setting videos to play automatically can smooth out the flow of your presentation, keeping your audience hooked without the awkward pauses of manually starting a video. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to achieve exactly this, ensuring your presentation runs as smoothly as silk. First things first, let's get PowerPoint up and running. For most of you, this will simply involve clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or searching for it in your computer's search bar. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you're greeted by its welcoming screen. This is where your journey begins. Now let's find the presentation that needs that magical touch of automatic video play. From the opening screen of PowerPoint, locate and click on the file you're going to work on. This could be a presentation you've previously prepared or one you're crafting from scratch. If it's the latter, make sure you have your video file handy for insertion later on. After opening your presentation, navigate through your slides until you find the one that's going to house your video. If you haven't already placed your video onto the slide, now would be the time to do so by inserting it via the Insert tab and selecting Video from the options available. But if your video is already comfortable and waiting on the slide, simply click on it. This action will make a new set of options appear in the ribbon menu at the top of PowerPoint, specifically tailored for video formatting and playback settings. Among these options, you'll find the Playback tab, which is your next stop on this journey. Clicking on it will reveal various controls for your selected video, including volume control, trimming capabilities, and more. But what we're most interested in today is the Playback options. Within the Playback tab, look out for the option marked Start. This option determines how your video begins playing in your presentation. By default, it's set to in-click sequence, meaning it will wait obediently for you to click before it leaps into action. However, since our goal is for the video to play automatically, you'll want to click the drop-down menu for the Start option. From the drop-down menu, select Automatically. This choice tells PowerPoint to play the video as soon as its slide comes into view during your presentation, without requiring a manual start. It's perfect for maintaining a steady flow and keeping your audience engaged without interruptions. Selecting Automatically is essentially the magic wand in this process. Once you've made this selection, your video is set to play the moment its slide appears during your slideshow. This seamless integration can dramatically enhance the professional feel of your presentations, ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted viewing experience for your audience. Before wrapping up, it's worth mentioning a few additional tips to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, always verify your video plays as expected by running a test of your presentation before the actual event, sparing yourself from any unwanted surprises. Additionally, ensure your video file is in a PowerPoint-friendly format, such as MP4, to avoid compatibility issues. Remember, the key to a successful presentation is not just the content, but also the delivery. By setting your videos to play automatically in PowerPoint, you streamline the flow of information, keeping your audience focused and engaged. There's something truly magical about a well-executed presentation, and with this simple yet powerful adjustment, you're well on your way to creating an unforgettable experience. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set your PowerPoint video to play automatically. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to test your presentation to see the seamless transition in action, and remember, practice makes perfect. I look forward to seeing how you all utilize these tips to enhance your PowerPoint presentations. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your presentation software. Happy presenting!